Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man. Here today we're talking about shocks and strut replacement on your vehicle. All vehicles have these, and they often need to be replaced, but typically they will last up to 100,000 miles unless damaged in some way. When you ask about damage, you can often end up with seal leaks on a strut or a shock where you get fluid that actually leaks out. Damage to them, getting dents or dings in them, causes them not to operate properly. In doing so, you're going to want to replace these. But as stated, if they kept in good working order, they often can last up to 100,000 miles. So it's good to put a trained eye on shocks and struts on a regular basis. Now, when replacing your shocks and struts, and especially struts, you want to replace the mounting hardware, such as the upper strut plates should be recommended with them to give you a quality job. Now, you may ask, why replace the shocks and struts? Well, there's many important things that shocks and struts do on the vehicle. One is tire wear, prevents cupping, keeps your wheels on the ground, which also increases the shorter distance for stopping, in other words, shorter braking. The vehicle handles properly, and safety is imperative with quality shocks and struts. Keeping the tire on the road is part of its job, plus the ride. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.